how to create a kids coloring book with ChatGPT and Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a kids coloring book using ChatGPT and Canva step by step. Whether you are a parent, teacher, creative, or entrepreneur looking to make something fun and educational, this tutorial is for you. We will cover idea generation, image creation, book design, and how to export your finished coloring book so it's ready to print to sell. Now, what you need before we start, here is what you will need. First, you will need ChatGPT, and then you need Canva. As you can see here, this is a Canva, and you can use different type of AI image generator like DALI if you want to create illustration outside of ChatGPT. Both ChatGPT and Canva offers free version that work perfectly for this project, so don't need to pay unnecessary tools. So if you don't know what is coloring books look like, here is an example. As you can see here in the Amazon as well, we have some coloring books right now. You can create for yourself or to sell on Amazon as well. As you can see here, just for the example, I will show you this. Now, if you see how much they are charging for this book is around $4. It's like it's very easy to create. So let's get started. Now, step one, let's brainstorm coloring book ideas with ChatGPT. Now, open ChatGPT. I will open the my tab and search for ChatGPT. Give a prompt, like give me 10 unique coloring book themes for kids aged 4 to 8 and hit enter. You will get list of creative ideas like Tiny Dragon, Super Silly Dinosaur, Ocean Freight Adventure, Space Explorer for kids, and Zoo Party Time. Pick one of these that suits you and that inspires you. I will go with the superhero pets. So, like, give me 20 coloring page ideas for a superhero pet coloring book. For I will just simply enter this prompt, which I want to create coloring page ideas for a superhero pet coloring book, and hit enter button. ChatGPT will give you fun concept like captain, a heroic dog flying through the sky with its cape, a cat leaping across the rooftop wearing a mask and utility built. So you get the idea. Save these ideas. We will use them to generate illustration. Now, what you have to do is now let's generate the images, like generating coloring image. Now let's bring those ideas to life. If you are using ChatGPT with image generator, you can just simply click on this new chat over here. But if ChatGPT doesn't support images for you, use Tally E or another AI tools like Bing Image Creator or Midjourney. These are some paid tools which are very high expensive for beginner. As you can see here, I have this option of create an image. Just simply click on this, and over here you have to enter the prompt like generate a black and white line drawing of what. So like we will go back into our previous chat and choose one of these, like a cat leaping across the rooftop wearing a mask and utility bill. Let's move to new chat and enter that prompt over here. And after that, you can just type add this line for a kid's coloring book. So if chat always include phrases like black and white, line art, no shading, and simple type of young kids in your prompt. Once you are happy with this image, if you are happy with this prompt, just simply click on this push button and we will upload our prompt. Wait for a few seconds to generate our image. Our image is processing. So wait for a few seconds. If you're not pro version like me, it will say something like this. But if you are using pro version, it will give you the fastest image. As you can see here, ChatGPT has generated this beautiful drawing. If you are satisfied with this image, you can just simply download it. But if you aren't satisfied with this result, you can just simply describe what you want to add or remove or replace anything. Now, let's move to how let's create one or two images. What I'm going to do is just simply generate black and white line drawing of copy this and move back to this thing and copy this idea, post it over here, and then for kids coloring book, add this prompt, hit enter, and create one more image. So yeah, once you are happy with the image, just download them as a PNG or JPEG file. So what I'm going to do is just simply save to my download in my computer, wait for a few seconds, just simply download it and head over to Canva. Now, as you can see here, I have a lot of template which I can use to create my coloring book, but I will suggest you to just simply click on this create button. And then what you have to do is just simply click on this customize size. Now over here, you have to set the, you have to add the units over here. Now head over to ChatGPT and let's search ChatGPT and ask, you can ask that what is the what will be the pixel of, what will be the pixels of uh, color drawing image, color drawing pages for image. As you can see it in other common size and pixels are, this is, now if you measure in the pixel, it will become like this. Just copy this, paste it over here and move back and pixel dimension. Copy these pixel dimension and paste it. Not able to paste. Copy again and head over, move back to the pixel. So I will add this manually and then choose pixel, click on the create new design. Now you can choose A4 as well depending on your audience. Now what you have to do is just simply upload that image which we have created on this chat GPT. Now what I'm going to do is just simply upload it into my Canva. So just simply go into downloads and drag that image into Canva and upload into Canva. So wait for a few seconds, again move back and click on the upload. Now you can add fun title or caption if you want, like Captain Whisker in action. And to design a cover page, use Canva's pre-made template or design your own. You can do that. Now wait for a few seconds to just uh, upload this image. You can drag over here. You can get inspiration from Canva's like as you can see here, we have color book here. You can take this inspiration. What I'm going to just simply click on this and click on this customize this template, and then what you have to do is just simply copy the elements which you like. So as you can see, I like this text and I like, now just copy the name and date over here. These are those things. I will copy this and paste into my design. Okay, I'm not able to duplicate. Click on this copy. Okay, I can see I have added this into my Canva. Now just simply what you have to do, individually you have to resize them. As you can see here, you have to add the date and the name. You have to make similar to each other. Simply drag this over here and then move back. Now here you can add the title. In order to add title, what you have to do is just simply reposition this image and then go into text in the left side, click on this add title, or here add cool title, cat superhero. Just adjust this image with the title. If you want to change the font of this title, what you're gonna do is just simply select this title and then go to font in the top, click on this, and from here you will be able to change the font which you like. So in this case I'm using this one. You can decrease the font size, and if you want to increase the font size you can use by clicking over here. So I will just simply put it over here. So okay, so if you want to add more things into your uh, thing, what you can do is just simply copy this and you can add into your design. So what I'm going to do is copy this, paste into your Canva, click on the allow, wait for a few seconds to paste. As you can see here, I have added successfully. I want these three lines, which are these. Okay, you can just duplicate this line and put into that, delete this, and yeah, click on the duplicate as you can see here and move back. So what is this? In the center we have only one line, and in the top and the bottom we have two line. So I will make this. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, if you want to add the cat dotted line, so what you're gonna do is just simply drag a text, type text, select all, make a big, paste it over here, reposition and change the font of this specific title. I will choose this one because this font is thin. And if you want to create the dotted effect into your text, you can search over here. So just simply click on this text effect and search for trace into your font and hit enter. As you can see here, maybe we got the trace effect. Here we go, all the result, and as you can see here, we have successfully created the trace effect into our font. Now this is good, as you can see here, and if you want to add more things into your pages, you can add that too. Now let's say if you want to make one thing, let's say if you want to say if you have to add two images for kid inspiration, so you can create, say that, just simply add inspirational color into this image for inspiration, inspire kids. Hit enter and it will give you the image of that. So as you can see, it is generating that image where it will take few minutes more. So yeah, just move back, and from here you can add multiple pages. You can get inspiration from others like this one, colored by number. If you want to do that, you can customize based on your needs. Yeah, this is a basic overview of how you can create a book of coloring. After creating pages, what you have to do is just create cover pages. To design cover page, use Canvas pre-made templates or design your own. I have a trick. What we are gonna do is just move back to our ChatGPT and use this cat leaping rooftop drawing. Just select all of these, which okay, this is not that. Select this and say create a book cover for this color coloring book and hit enter. ChatGPT will create for cover for you. You can customize font later. You can add your background. Leave theme mostly white for printing and page layout as needed. So you can do that. As you can see here, we have successfully created this coloring image for the inspiration. So what you can do that with it, you just simply click on this add. In the top you can add this coloring image, and then bottom you can add that inspirational image. So this is how you can use that. And then you have to finalize and export it. Once your page are ready, flip through and check for consistency and page flow. You can duplicate pages or mix up images to reach your target length. Usually 20 to 30 pages needed. You can just simply add those pages one by one, one by one. You can do that. If I create 20 pages, it will take a lot of time. So I'm not gonna do that. I have made this tutorial to follow this, and you can create your own. When ready, click on this share button over here at the top left right corner. Then click on the download. Then you have to choose PDF print instead of PNG, and then you have to click on this download button and save your finished coloring book. Now you have polished book ready for printing at home, sharing online or selling. You can do that just simply clicking on the download button. You can just simply download. I have already created a video how you can create your own book and how you can create the cover page, how you can sell that books to Amazon. If you want to watch that video, just simply go into my channel and search that topic. I hope it make easier to understand to you how you can create these coloring images to into your for your books. You can head over to Amazon KDP and upload your PDF to publish it as a paperback or sell the digital version on site like ETCY or your own website. Make sure to optimize your title, description, keywords so your book can be easily found. And that's it. We have just created a kids coloring book from scratch using ChatGPT and Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, then give it a like, leave a comment with your theme ideas, and subscribe for more creative tutorial like this. Check out my videos on how to create a KDP book cover with Canva if you are planning to publish your book. Thanks for watching.